In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Loop not available in your tenant. If you're seeing the message that Microsoft Loop isn't available, don't worry. This usually comes down to licensing or a quick admin setting. I'll walk you through what to check and how to get the Loop app and workspaces working in your organization. First, confirm that your Microsoft 365 plan actually supports Loop. Loop isn't included in every plan, and that's often the reason the app doesn't appear. It's available with Microsoft 365 Business Standard or Business Premium, as well as the E3, E5, A3, and A5 plans. It's also included when you have Copilot or certain extra features plans. If you're on a pure Office 365 plan, there's a good chance Loop isn't included yet. When you see "not available in your tenant," it often means either your plan doesn't include Loop or it hasn't been switched on by your administrator. Next, if you're not an admin, reach out to your IT administrator and ask them to enable Loop for the organization. For admins, this is quick to do in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Sign in at admin.microsoft.com, go to Org Settings, then Services, find Microsoft Loop, and turn it on for the organization. In newer Admin Center versions, there's a simple toggle. Enabling this makes Loop workspaces and pages available to users across your tenant, assuming they have eligible licenses. If Loop still isn't showing up, it may be disabled by policy. Admins can verify this using PowerShell. Connect to SharePoint Online with the Connect SPO service command pointing to your tenant's admin URL. Then run get spot-enit and check the is Loop enabled property. If it returns false, turn it on with set spot-enit. Is Loop enabled? True. Keep in mind that you'll typically need SharePoint admin permissions and Office Apps admin rights to perform these actions. If you're not sure you have the right role, confirm your admin roles before proceeding. Finally, once Loop has been enabled, it's important to refresh your session, close all Office apps, sign out of your Microsoft account everywhere, and then sign back in. After that, head to loop.microsoft.com and try again. This step clears cached permissions and often resolves the not available message after the settings have been updated. That's it. Check your plan, have your admin enable Loop in the Admin Center, make sure the policy is set to allow Loop, and then sign out and back in to refresh access. Follow these steps, and you should be up and running with Microsoft Loop.